Navigating the hiccups, mastering delay detection and digital communication. Hello and welcome to our English language learning session. Today, we'll be focusing on an essential part of communication in the modern digital world: understanding and dealing with delays and lags during telephone or video calls. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify and navigate around such issues effectively. Before we can handle delays and lags, we must first understand what they are. A delay, in telecommunication terms, refers to the time it takes for a signal or message to travel from the sender to the receiver. A lag, on the other hand, is when this delay becomes noticeably long. It's the frustrating situation when you've asked a question and you're waiting for what feels like an eternity to get a response. Now that we know what delays and lags are, let's discuss how to identify them. They are often characterized by long pauses between responses or words being cut off. Also, a good indicator of a delay or lag is if the person you're talking to appears to be reacting to what you've said a few seconds after you've said it. In video calls, non-verbal cues can help us detect lags or delays. For instance, if the audio and video aren't in sync, it might be a sign of delay. An example could be when someone's lips are moving but the words aren't coming out until a few moments later. After identifying that a delay or lag exists, it's important to address it correctly. Start by acknowledging the issue to your conversation partner. This could be as simple as saying, "I think there's a delay in our call." Then, be sure to speak slowly and clearly, allowing for pauses to ensure the other person has time to process your words. Well, there we have it. Identifying and dealing with delays and lags in calls might seem daunting at first, but with the tips and knowledge you've learned today, you should be well on your way to mastering digital communication. Remember, patience and clear communication are key. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.